The battlefield of the 21st century is no longer confined to trenches and foxholes. Modern warfare has ascended into the skies, propelled by the rise of unmanned aerial vehicles, more commonly known as drones. These technological marvels have revolutionized military strategy, offering an unprecedented blend of surveillance, precision, and force projection. From the arid deserts of the Middle East to the contested waters of the South China Sea, drones have become ubiquitous symbols of modern military might. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, drones are poised to play an even greater role in the future of warfare. However, the strategic advantages offered by drones are undeniable, and their impact on the global security landscape is only beginning to be felt. In recent years, the Kingdom of Morocco has embarked on an ambitious military modernization program, seeking to bolster its defense capabilities and secure its position as a regional power. A key element of this strategy has been the acquisition of advanced drone technology, culminating in the purchase of the Chinese-made TB001 Scorpion drone. This formidable UAV, with its impressive range, endurance, and payload capacity, has significantly enhanced Morocco's ability to monitor its borders, combat terrorism, and project power throughout the region. With its distinctive twin-tail configuration and sleek aerodynamic design, the Scorpion is a formidable platform capable of conducting a wide range of missions. Its dual-engine system provides exceptional range and endurance, allowing it to remain aloft for extended periods, while its advanced sensors and communications suite provide operators with real-time situational awareness. Capable of carrying up to 1.5 tons of ordnance, the TB001 can be armed with a variety of precision-guided munitions, including light missiles and bombs. The Scorpion's versatility extends beyond its strike capabilities, as it can also be equipped with sophisticated surveillance equipment, allowing it to gather intelligence, conduct reconnaissance missions, and provide valuable battlefield awareness. The acquisition of the TB001 Scorpion drone has been particularly significant for Morocco's security operations in the vast and challenging terrain of the Sahara Desert. This region, characterized by its harsh environment, porous borders, and the presence of armed groups, has long posed a significant security challenge for the Moroccan government. The Scorpion's unique capabilities make it ideally suited for operations in this demanding theater. The drone's extended range and endurance allow it to patrol vast stretches of the Sahara for extended periods, providing persistent surveillance over areas traditionally difficult to monitor. Its advanced sensors can detect and track suspicious activity, even in low-light conditions, providing Moroccan forces with valuable real-time intelligence. This has significantly bolstered Morocco's security posture in the Sahara, deterring potential adversaries and contributing to regional stability. Section 4. Beyond the Scorpion, Morocco's defense portfolio. The acquisition of the TB001 Scorpion drone is just one facet of Morocco's broader military modernization strategy. Recognizing the evolving nature of warfare and the need to maintain a technological edge, Morocco has been actively investing in upgrading its armed forces across all domains: land, air, and sea. In recent years, Morocco has acquired a range of advanced military hardware, including Winglong 2 UAVs from China, Bayraktar Akinci and Bayraktar TB, 2 drones from Turkey, and vertical takeoff and landing drones from Israel. This comprehensive approach to defense modernization underscores Morocco's determination to create a well-equipped and highly capable military force capable of meeting the challenges of the 21st century. Section 5. Shifting Sands. Geopolitical impact of the TB001 deal. The acquisition of the TB001 Scorpion drone by Morocco has not gone unnoticed on the international stage. This deal, indicative of China's growing influence in the global arms market, has sent ripples through the geopolitical landscape, particularly in North Africa and beyond. For Morocco, the acquisition of the TB001, along with other advanced weaponry, serves as a powerful signal of its determination to safeguard its interests and deter potential adversaries. The deal has inevitably raised concerns among neighboring countries, particularly Algeria, with whom Morocco has a long-standing rivalry. Chinese-made weapon systems, often offered at competitive prices and with fewer political strings attached, have become increasingly attractive to African nations seeking to modernize their militaries. Section 6. Morocco's ascent, a future forged in steel and innovation. The TB001 Scorpion drone, a symbol of Morocco's commitment to military modernization, stands as a testament to the country's determination to secure its borders, combat terrorism, and project power in a rapidly evolving security environment. Morocco's embrace of drone technology is not merely about acquiring weapons systems, it represents a broader shift towards a more agile, intelligent, and technologically advanced military force. By investing in training, infrastructure, and research and development, Morocco is building a foundation for sustained military superiority in the region. The acquisition of the TB001 Scorpion drone is a clear indication that Morocco is determined to remain at the forefront of military innovation, ensuring its security and cementing its position as a leading power in North Africa and beyond. As the sands of time continue to shift, Morocco's commitment to a modern and technologically advanced military will be crucial in navigating the complex geopolitical realities of the 21st century.